everything I do. Look, light speed's the speed limit. Got a new V with the keys in it. Got a lot of room for my G's in it. It's not just me, now we did it. Yeah, everything I do.
Build on the size guy! Build on the size guy! Build on the size guy!
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ill Will, back again today with another cooking video. I'm back in the kitchen. I'm in a different kitchen again, because I'm always on the move. But anyway, today it is about 9 o'clock. It's about 9 o'clock right now in the morning, 8:50 to be exact. This is the earliest I've gotten up in a long time, but it's only because I am on babysitting duty. My niece woke me up early this morning, so I was really hungry, so I decided I was gonna make some French toast, and I was like, French toast is a very delicate subject because it seems easy, but it has to be precise. So, first things first, you gotta get you some good bread. Ta-da. Gotta have the milk, ground cinnamon, and I'm also using cinnamon sugar just a little bit because I like sweet food. Vanilla extract, egg, and a bad niece. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. She was becoming medicine. I had to go fix that. And I'm sorry if somebody over here cutting, doing yard work. I hope you can't hear that, but you probably can. He got a whole leaf blower. But yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. You take your milk. I don't have that much milk left, so I don't want to kill the milk. That should be enough, because I'm only making it for myself anyway, so. Different recipes calls for different amounts of milk, but you could pretty much play that by ear depending on how many you're making for. You take your egg. Yes, sir. Hold up, she's doing it again. That's the last interrupt. Well, I can't promise that, but I hope she let me live. Take your vanilla extract, dump some of that in that joint. Yeah. I'm going ahead and show you what that looks like before we continue. Hold on, let me pick it up. I'm using my phone. I don't have a camera at the moment, but there you go. I'm gonna just hold this for a second while I'm doing this. Hold up. Ground cinnamon. I won't be able to hold it while I'm doing the cinnamon, the regular sugar. So yeah. Take a little bit of this. I don't know that you have to, but I am. Then you get you a spoon and you whisk this junk up. The thing about I've had certain people's, oh my goodness, she's doing it again. I've had certain people's French toast, and certain people's I can taste the egg, and sometimes I can't. I'm not a big yolk fan. I'm not much of an egg fan at all, period. But when I do eat eggs, prefer them scrambled, and I prefer them in green form. Thank you, Dr. Seuss. But yeah, I don't like that eggy taste when I'm eating French toast, because this is supposed to be a sweet breakfast food, not supposed to taste all of that egg and stuff. So get this little bit of cinnamon left out the spoon. So here's what the batter, I guess you can call it, looks like. So let me get this pan ready. I didn't even do that. I should have prepared before I started this video. Alright, so look. You definitely want to get this pan right before you get to cooking these joints, because they definitely will stick. I don't know if they have any spam or anything. Let me also go play this stinking video. Look at her being meddlesome. I promise you, she never acts like this. She waits till I try to record a video to want to be bad. Stop. Stop. Backing up. Backing up. Alright. So let me see if they have any spam or something. I'll be back. Alright, looks like we gotta use that good old fashioned butter, because they don't have any. I think I called it spam earlier. I'm pretty sure that's not what it's called. But let me turn the oven on. Approximately 33 degrees. So we're gonna turn this on. That is certainly not enough. That's not what I meant to do. It's hard to cook with one hand, guys. And that might be too much. Nah, I should be alright. Hold up. Okay, well, yeah. I also don't like a buttery taste in mine, so we're gonna make sure that we get this right. So I'll be back at y'all when this is ready. Alright, so here we have it. Pan ready, that drip ready, that splat, and our bread. I'm certainly not gonna be able to do this, so let me put you guys down. I don't know what I'm on, but yeah. Got that pan over there sizzling. Man, this butter stank. I hate the way butter smells. Kendall, where you at? Alright. So what you're gonna do is take your bread, dip it in here for a quick second, flip it. There you go. I'm eating this by myself, so it's only gonna take 2.
I just like the sound.
I took all of that sugar, that cinnamon off with that first piece, so I need. Definitely needing more of that good stuff, so take this second one. Oh, I see a little bit of egg yolk on this one. Redip that. We double dipping in this hole. I'm not sure how long you're supposed to let these sit. I just do it based off of how long I think so. Yeah. Man, y'all can see me wash the dishes. So how y'all living, man? How you doing good? The wife and kids, everybody good? That's what's up, bro. The most important part about cooking is the cleanup process. head at? Make sure these joints don't be getting stuck out here. It's 2019, we ain't got time to be getting stuck. Oh. You gotta get up under this one. Man, I'm telling you, it's hard to do this with one hand. You was able to see the whole pan. I mean, the whole thing. Candle, stop it. I'll catch you back here when they done. I don't even eat strawberries, it's just for the presentation.
Everything I do, look, light speed's the speed limit. Got a new V with the keys in it. Got a lot of room for my G's in it. It's not just me, now we did it. Everything I do.